Hi there, this is Alma. Thank you for clicking on this video. This video is a continuation of the video I made last week, which entitles How to Enable Care Emoji Reaction on Facebook for Android Users. By the way guys, I just want to make a disclaimer on that video. So let's go over with my messenger and let us try the purple heart emoji. So I'll click on my messenger. So I click on my messenger and let's try a message here. Let's long press this message here, and if you can see that the heart emoji here is the usual heart of messenger, which is the red one. But when you click on this heart and when you long press it, you will see this one. Excuse me for that noise. So you will see this one if you long press the red heart. So it says that change your heart reaction. We've updated the heart reaction so you can give more love to your friends while you're apart. You can press and hold the heart reaction to change back to the original heart anytime. So you just have to press and hold the heart to let it back to the original. So if we are going to use the updated heart, just click on this use updated heart. So that's it. If you can see that the updated heart is there, the purple one, so you can touch that. So you can see here. So here is the purple heart. But if you'd like to go back to the original heart or the normal heart, the red one, just have to press and hold it again. Press and hold the message, and then press and hold again the heart. So it says that you can change your heart reaction. React to messages using the original heart. You can press and hold the heart reaction to change back to the updated heart anytime. So you can easily use the original heart as you like. So click on that one. So it says it goes back to the original heart as well. So you can change it anytime as you want. It's up for you to which heart reaction you'd like. If you like the red one or the purple one. So that's it for today's video guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I am making tutorial vlogs here and some other stuff like Bookie's Life series vlogs. I hope you visit my channel. Here are the videos in my channel guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.